What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here. I sure love Black Friday, even though it means like getting run over by shopping carts and crazy Karens. The good deals in the end are all worth it. So we got some 9-packs here. I think I grabbed these at a Walmart. And yeah, these were definitely worth it. And in my opinion, 9-packs are a really underrated way to get some really good cars. And if you wanted to make a profit too. But yeah, these I picked up at a Walmart on Black Friday. Really cool models in these. Some of these ones I already have that I'm going to be giving away some friends. But most of these I do not have. And some of these exclusives. That one, this purple Camaro. I love that purple Camaro. That is something that I'm really looking forward to when opening these. So guys, unboxing of some 9-packs from 2022. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to be talking about these and showing them off. Pack number 1 is opened up. Looks like they're flying around. Okay, so let's take a look at pack number 1 first. Really nice models in here. We're going to start off with this yellow one up at the top left. And see what we have here. So, what is this one? We have, this is metal on metal. This is called Bad to the Blade. I know what this one is. I have a Walmart exclusive mystery model of this one. Pretty cool. It's kind of like a race car in yellow with a Hot Wheels. Number 8, metallic blue metal base. I love how this one is metal on metal. Very nice. Pretty cool. And then those 6-spoke wheels. It's going to look good next to my other one. Pretty good looking. This is a multi-pack exclusive. Next car. This is a pretty desirable one in the 2022 multi-pack exclusives. Take a nice look at this. 82 Nissan Skyline R30. I do apologize. I just needed to adjust the lighting. But 82 Nissan Skyline R30. Black plastic base. And then those open hole 5-spoke wheels. This is such a cool model and probably worth a few bucks. Multi-pack exclusive, kind of a matte kind of finish on that blue. Very cool. And then black designs, RS and turbo on it. Pretty clean car. Painted details on the back. And like I said, pretty desirable one. Going to my JDM display. That is a multi-pack exclusive. This one also appeared in the main line. This is the Toyota van, a new model for 2022, metallic red. And I'm probably going to be giving this away. Someone I know that doesn't have it. And nice 80s retro designs. Looks like the car that, I forgot what his name was. I think his name is Murray from Stranger Things. There's Toyota on the front. Really popular new model. Probably a $5 vehicle, if you ask me. $3 to $5. Really hot new model. That one is also a mainline release, not a multi-pack exclusive. This one I just opened on the channel, like, the other day. From H-Case. The 17 Ford GT. This one's going to be one that I'm giving away as well. Ooh, looks like we got some scratches on it. They won't mind, hopefully. This is a really cool model in Miami blue with black striping and painted details. Then this is another one that I'm going to be giving away. I do already have this one. I mainly bought this pack for the purple Camaro. But we have a blue base there. Roadster Bite in gray, Speed Team Series, also appeared in the main line. And yeah, there's a nice look at that. Okay, let's see, this one that I'm going to be showing, I have a few different colors of this. This is the Roadster with 3 R's in the front. This is in red, multi-pack exclusive, number 4 with some different designs on it. Pretty cool model. Take a nice look at that right there. And gray plastic base on that one. And then this one I'm keeping for myself. I only found one of these, a really desirable model. What is it? Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. And interesting taillights on that. In blue, with a blue base, painted details. I think this is a new model. I got one carded, and I got this one loose. Black wheels, Liberty Walk. I think this came out in J case. So, yeah, very nice. Very nice. Cool model. And then Bedlam in black. Third color that I have of this. Black plastic, metal base. And then a black plastic body with some red rim, deep dish 8-spoke wheels. And this is a pretty cool model. Came out in 2004 in the first editions. And yeah, not bad. I have a Joker themed one of these. And moment of truth. Yes, purple Camaro. Ooh, this has a black plastic base. Usually they're chrome. Muscle car 5 spokes. Love this casting. Metallic purple tan interior. And there's a red stripe on that. 2022 multi-pack exclusive Camaro. This is probably a $5 to $10 car easily, actually. I love this casting so much. I have so many different colors of it. I think I got 11. Yeah, sounds about right. But yeah, take a nice look. Beautiful model. Camaro on the sides. Nice Chevy muscle car. So that was the first pack. Okay, pack number 2. Car number 1. Let's see. This is a plastic base. F1 Racer. So it's a race car. I don't think I have this casting. This has gold 10-spoke wheels. And then, really cool, actually. Very cool. And this is a multi-pack exclusive as well. Nice. White plastic base. Red body. Number 1. White and gold and black tampos. Some decals. Very flat car. Made for racing. Yup, this is the one that I'm also going to be giving away. Metallic green on this 76 Greenwood Corvette. I already have this. I have 2 of these carded. One to keep on my wall, one to open. But yeah, I'm going to be giving this to someone I know. Well, I asked him if he has it. If he already has it, then I'm probably going to put it up for sale or maybe keep it. Who knows? Metallic green, nice green striping, nice Corvette. I know who would want this. Alright, I just thought of him. Okay, so we got this here. And then, ooh, here's a really nice one. Multi-pack exclusive. Metallic gray Shark Cruiser. This is a classic casting, been out since the 80s. Can you read that? There we go. You can see 1986 original copyright. And this has the clear wheels with chrome rims. This is actually really cool. And this has a metal body. Used to have a metal base. Chrome engine. And then, yeah, I love the wheels on this. This is actually really cool. Green base. Cool Shark Cruiser multi-pack exclusive as well. This one coming up is also a multi-pack exclusive. Excuse me. And an orange plastic base. Carbonic. And I've seen this one in many colors, but this is my first one owning. Ooh, great spinning wheels. Wow, those spin really well. What on earth happened to these? What happened to this wheel here? Huh. Looks like the wheel's a little dinged up. I'll have to check on that after the video's over. Kind of like a dark green on this one. Black interior. Cool multi-pack exclusive. The wheels roll really well on this. Another fantasy car, but pretty cool. And, yup. Another one of these Porsches in black with gold designs. Black wheels, gray plastic base. Really sharp Porsche 935, but this came out in the main line. I have too many of these Porsches. So, yep. Another gift going out someone. I'm not big enough to do any giveaways, but you know. Okay, next 4 cars are pretty awesome. This Mclaren P1 in, what is that? Red. Dark red. I don't want to call it burgundy. It's a little too red to be burgundy. But this is an awesome multi-pack exclusive McLaren. I love this one so much. This has different wheels. Usually they come in 10 spokes. This is a Phil Reelman 5-spoke wheel in gray. And stop focusing on the things in the background, you stupid camera. And then we got some black hood. And then painted details, gray wheels. This is such a nice model. Another color of this into my collection. This is my 4th color of it. Probably a $3 to $5 vehicle. Definitely, like I said, multi-packs are a great way to make a profit on cars. But not sure if I'm going to sell these anytime soon. This one is one that I'm trying to get all the colors of, and I actually managed to succeed in getting probably the hardest one to find. This multi-pack exclusive right here. Well, it's probably easy to find, but hard to get since you got to buy 8 other cars with it. Clip rod. The money clip, where you can put your money inside. There's a clip there. I'm just missing the first edition of this one, but I can easily find that at a hobby store that I go to. Just haven't seen it on their huge wall yet. But yeah, then I'll have to get another blue one for myself. The wheel chrome's rubbing off of that. But different wheel type on this one. Aerodisc wheels in gold. Then this has a metal base. Orange metal base. Then an orange kind of front there with the dollar sign. Then a gray interior. Nice model. Glad to have this one in my hands. And then this is my 3rd color of this, 1970 Toyota Celica. In red this time with chrome line black wheels. Deep dish 8-spoke wheels. Another multi-pack exclusive. Cool classic Celica, 22 on this side. And the hood. There you are. Awesome. Alright, what is our final model? Yes, this is my 3rd color of this one. This is going to wrap it up. Porsche 356 Outlaw in green. I have a black one from the same multi-pack line. And this is the exclusive deco car. And these are probably like $5 to $7, maybe $3 to $7, I'd say. Love this green though, and yeah, take a nice look. Some racing decals. Why don't we zoom in on this? This is such a nice model. Take a look right there. Tan interior. It's gonna look good with my other ones. I also have a Golf one from the 2021 main line. Small Porsche, very small Porsche. Very cool, very cool. That's going to wrap it up, guys. Thank you for watching. Got some awesome cars in these multi-packs. Well, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.